Just another quick short video. Um, I'm really following a guy named Ryan Macbeth, and I'm not really sure. It's hard from his profile to tell if he was an intelligence analyst or what, but he was talking about some military experience, so I'm assuming he probably did have that. And he reminded me of something that I knew of very, very well from being in the intelligence section of a Pershing missile battalion in Germany during the changeover from Pershing 1s to Pershing 2s. And the Pershing 1s required that it be filled with aviation gas, that's a JP4, and it took about 45 minutes. And it took several, we call them cable humpers. They required probably about 45 minutes, a well-skilled crew to get this thing up and ready to go. The Pershing 2s were much quicker. They needed only a handful of trained crewmen, and it was solid fueled, so they could get this thing going in 3 minutes. And this really scared the Russians. Now, the Soviet Grad system, which is what the Iranian system is predicated upon, does not have the capability to have them in a chamber. Okay, you have American missiles now, IRBMs, I forget what they're called, but anyway, there's 4 in a chamber. Okay, it's like a gun, and they're ready to go. They're probably solid fueled. The old Soviet technology requires fueling, and a good crew can fuel it and attach it to the erector launcher within about 6 hours. A crew that's not so well trained takes a lot longer. Now, this guy, Macbeth, was saying, according to his calculations, that means that they have about a possibility of getting 2 large, cruise missiles, Grad type missiles going. Of course, the Shahabs, that's a whole different story. The Iranians have a 50% dud rate, which is why they have to have people coming, from close in. The other thing is the type of liquid fuel they're using. If it's the devil's venom, which is something the Russians gave up on because it was a massive explosion in 1960 in their space program. But the North Koreans are using it, and the North Koreans are sharing a lot of their technology. So, got to make the assumption that if they shared that they're sharing that technology, they certainly shared their nuclear technology with the Syrians, which the Israeli Air Force took out a few years ago. So anyway, that's just a little bit of technical stuff. Talk to you later. Bye.